up on the area that I was talking about, and this is on the outskirts of Xenia, Ohio. And they basically built this bypass, and it cut through the farm that I lived on when I come out here and visit. Must be the next one up. The next overpass that we get to is the area. I think it's 68 South would be the crossing highway or road from this bypass. And 68 South used to end right there at the farm. And then they bought the land from my family and put this bypass all the way down to Washington Courthouse, which is where I've been staying at. So here's 68. And a couple of the homes are still there from the farm. And they'll be on the north side of the road, which is to your right. I believe that's a rope plant there on the right, but I'm not sure. I had an uncle that worked there years ago. Yeah, but if you look, they pretty much cut this hill out and they put this overpass in. The farm is right there on the right. It's kind of hard to see, but the homes are back there. So yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but anyway, this is where I spent my summers, around this area here. Alright, I'm gonna get off and I'll come back on when I'm at the museum. I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, I turned on Woodman Drive. And coming up here on the Museum of the Air Force. Still got some colors going on with the trees. So we're really close to the Air Force Museum, and this is actually located on Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. So be pulling in here shortly.
In 0.4 miles, exit right.
Yeah, it's really coming down now. Clouds opened up on us.
Exit right. In 0.2 miles, turn right. right. Drive 0.5 miles, then turn right.
Don't need bitchin' Betty anymore. It's actually a really easy drive from my dad's house to here. So there's the aircraft displays that I put on my video earlier. If you guys go to my YouTube channel, you'll see the videos I put up of those aircraft, and pretty historic aircraft that are sitting over there. C-17, C-135, C-130. And you can see all the hangars here to the left. Really the only fighter they got sitting outside is still that F-15. Park out here in South 40. So I'm here, got another 10 minutes or so before the museum opens up. I was thinking about walking around over here in the Memorial Park so we can see just a little bit of that, even though it's lightly raining or sprinkling here. So we'll just play it by ear. I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks for watching. memorial for the Flying Tigers. I'm here at the Air Force Museum in Dayton, Ohio. This is the 390th Bombardment Group H, square J on the tail. I was part of the 390th Missile Maintenance Inspection Squadron out of Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, and we worked on the Titan II missiles. This is our heritage. This is the bombardment group from England, B-17s. And this is also for Mike Benolkin at cybermodeler.com. He helped restore the B-17 that's on display at the Pima Air Museum in Tucson, Arizona. And this, of course, represents all the patches that were used by that squadron. And some of those designs were used on our for our patches for our missile squadrons also. So it's a pretty nice tribute and memorial to the 390th Bombardment Group, Group H, and they were known to have the square J on the tail. For more historic videos on my visits to museums all over the country, visit my channel, guys. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching Scale Model Kit Review.